National security requires perfect surveillance of restricted areas. Let's utilize Dhaka Cantonment to demonstrate. As traffic and pedestrians arrive and exit this location every second, unauthorized cars and people could enter at the incorrect time. Think brings to you Intelligent Secure Edge or ISE to detect such entities and their activities in real time and alert authorities. ISE can count and keep a record of the number and type of vehicles entering and exiting the cantonment area. Its license plate recognition technology can identify public and private transport vehicles going in and out of cantonment to check for permits or suspicious records in the authorities' database. People in public cars entering and exiting cantonment may not have permits. ISE can identify and flag questionable individuals using smart cameras and microphones at pickup and drop-off points. This system's ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6 capabilities allow cameras and microphones to transfer data at up to 9.5 gigabytes per second. Traditional security cameras feed data to a DVR or NVR for processing and storage before being shown. But in ISE, the server is only used for storage and forensics, while data reading, video, and image processing are done using AI at the site of the cameras and microphones. This reduces lag time between an event's occurrence and subsequent viewing. The cantonment area also includes restricted roads and lanes. Without special permission, ordinary citizens cannot enter these areas. ISE can flag unauthorized entrance as a person of interest and alert military police to security breaches. Cantonment is one of the city's most secure locations, where authorized personnel expect to be protected from surprise threats or attacks to their physical well-being. Our cameras can identify weapons to flag danger. Motion detection identifies authorized field signals or gestures when under duress. Once a signal is detected, the system alerts authorities immediately for a response. Administrators of the security system have an interactive dashboard with real-time updates, a sophisticated search engine, centralized monitoring, and segmented monitoring. Accessibility can be distributed to the security system's administrators separately based on their level of clearance. This comprehensive security system may identify threats and suspicious objects within the vicinity of its cameras during VIP movement. The system can then trace back to identify the individual responsible for the breach. The Intelligent Secure Edge's smart camera systems can be protected with anti-theft and anti-tampering technologies. Any attempt at manually coming in touch with the cameras from unauthorized personnel will trigger alarms. In restricted areas are generally managed through a ticketing system. ISE's cameras can replace that system by scanning the license plates of vehicles to check for identification and permission stickers for access. Upon the checks, the parking boom bar can either grant or deny access. The system can also keep track of the number of occupied and empty parking spots. When managing highly secure premises, rooms or hallways, proper restrictions against unauthorized entries are critical. The vast majority of offices or other commercial spaces use access cards to grant entry and exit. ISE's facial recognition or retina scan through visual AI can allow or deny access with significantly more security, as opposed to access cards that can be used by anyone to gain entry. Shana Kunjo has grown popular for weddings and other social events. ISE's artificial intelligence can analyze behavior patterns to flag suspicious individuals or actions in large gatherings. If there is anything the COVID pandemic has taught us, precautions against the spread of a virus or illness are paramount. The ISE can monitor the heat signatures of people to identify those with higher than normal body temperatures. They can be subsequently flagged so they can be given the attention they need. Intelligent Secure Edge is capable of processing data from a network of interconnected surveillance points. Over time, it reads and learns to improve its accuracy and efficiency. Think is a proud promoter of the local industry development movement. With full in-house research and development capabilities, and a nag to remain 100% locally made, Think is where we transform your imagination.